All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the evening watch list report with yours truly, Dex the Algo Capitalist. Let's jump right in it. All right, so on Theta, you can see that the market has starting to consolidate here beneath the Kumo cloud, and you have the bearish trend momentum reading and another crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. So definitely want to stay alert in that space. Next is ZEC or Zcash, also consolidating here with a bullish trend momentum reading. Had a rally alert coming into today, but we got no upside production. So we wait as day one has passed. We're going into day two. Remember that the system can lead the market 3 to 5 days out sometimes. So we just have to exercise patience on that one. Next is XRP Ripple, same thing, consolidating here right after the rally alert, just like the Zcash. So both trading in the same type of a pattern with the bullish trend momentum reading. So patience on this one. Next, we have silver. Silver had the crash alert coming into today, and we got that narrow range inside type day of trading. And so we're setting up for the next leg down. This is day one again. We got no downside production yet, confirmation of that. So we continue to wait. Next, we have the Dow futures. Dow futures still inching lower. It's in free fall status with the bearish trend momentum reading. It is in full blown correction mode, and you need to be alert that the acceleration is imminent to the downside. Next, we have NASDAQ 100. It's also in a correction mode right now and starting to inch down closer to the bottom of the Kumo cloud. And at some point here soon, in the next few trading sessions, I'm expecting this market to also hit free fall status. Next is the gold futures. We had that crash alert coming into today. Technically, we do have a bearish trend momentum reading, and the market is in correction mode. We just haven't received any downside production yet, so we stay tuned. The one thing about this, when you have these alerts, these rally and crash alerts, if you don't get any downside production, the trend can reverse, and then this goes away and the market starts trending higher again. So we are on alert here with the gold futures. Okay, so if you feel the need to take profit up here and stand aside for the next buy signal, that's fine too. Next, we have the E-mini S&P 500, also in correction mode right now and starting to inch lower, starting to pick up that downside acceleration. 5K is your psychological support. We'll see what happens on that one. Crude oil is consolidating here with the bearish trend momentum reading. We are expecting downside movement imminent because of the negative bot checks and crash alerts. Next, we have the euro also in correction mode and accelerating to the downside. Next, we have the pound sterling also beginning to accelerate to the downside in free fall status. Then we have the Aussie also accelerating to the downside here, and it is in free fall status, even with a bullish trend momentum reading. So something's going on here in the Aussie. You would expect gold to have really helped it out, but it didn't. And so it is like decoupled itself from gold at this time. The correlation has totally broken down, and I don't know what's going on. It stopped back here. It ceased, and it's just breaking down. So surely something is wrong here. It's looking like the bear market is about to reclaim the price action, because now you're headed down here for this this long-term trend line support of 62.78. So Aussie is not acting right at all right now. The Russell accelerating to the downside in free fall status, gunning for the 52-week lows. That is the downside target. Ethereum also in a free fall status now below the Kumo cloud, bearish trend momentum reading after the crash alert. So definitely something's going on here in the Ethereum. Bitcoin futures are not quite there yet. It stopped short at the top of the Kumo cloud. You still have this key support down here at 56,000 and psychological support at 50. And then you have another support range from 60 to 58.33. So it's like a 2,000 point cushion here between this support and then this one. So something to think about there. So you have some little buffers on the way down for the Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is acting like it wants to do it too. It has a bearish trend momentum reading, and we are in a correction mode. So we have to assume that this market is going to fall out of bed at some point. All right. Then we have the US dollar index powering up, inching higher. It's starting to accelerate to the upside here, gunning on its way to 108. Stronger dollar means weaker currency pairs. So be prepared for that, ladies and gentlemen. We've been talking about this for quite some time. All right, so there you have it. The system works. If you work the system, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give not them back. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already so you can be kept up to date when new videos and content drops. Don't forget to like and share these with friends and family. You never know who it may help or encourage or inform. And on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.